Hello students, today I am going to start some image formation by concave mirror. For this topic, image formation, you must have to watch my third video in which I told you the ray diagrams rules. There are 4 rules for concave and convex mirror. So today we will start some image formation. So in the image formation by concave mirror, first of all you have to draw a concave mirror. Concave mirror is the mirror which outside is polished and inside curved. It is a concave mirror. What is concave mirror? The midpoint of a mirror is known as pole. That is the focus where light rays actually meet. It is the center of curvature, midpoint of a whole sphere. Okay, first case we are taking, suppose the object is at infinity. Object is at infinity. When object is at infinity, so we know that suppose it is an object A and B. We know that from infinity all the rays of light traverse parallel to each other. Okay, or according to rule of ray diagram, if a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis, after striking on the mirror, it will pass from the focus. Another ray, it will also pass from the focus. So there is a question in your mind that the ray will always pass from above the principal axis. No, they may be from there. Look, it is also parallel to the principal axis. They will also pass from the focus. They will also pass from the focus. That means when the object is at infinity, then the rays of light actually meet at a point of focus, which is known as focus point. So now fill this table. Don't be tensionized. You have to fill very easily. First of all, position of object. Where it is placed? Object is at infinity. Position of image. That means where the image is formed. Image is formed here at F. How? I told you that image is formed when two rays of light actually meet. They all are meeting at F. So position of image at focus at F. Size of image. Size. You are looking there. It is a point size. Point size. Or diminished, we can see. Or next, nature of image. In concave mirror, all the images are real and inverted. What is the meaning of inverted? Next, now the object is beyond C. So first of all, fill the table. Where is the object? Beyond C. Okay, here A or B. It is the object. We know that a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis will pass from the focus. We have to draw two lines at least. Second, focus, second focus that will be parallel to the principal axis. That will be parallel to the principal axis. So where is the image formed? Image formed between C or F, A dash or B dash, A dash or B dash. Inverted. Position of image between C and F, between C and F. Size of image is smaller than object. Real and inverted. Real and inverted. At C, P, F, C. Take the object at C, A or B. First, we know that when a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis always pass from the focus. Second, pass it from pole. When a ray of light which is strike on the pole of a concave mirror, it will pass with the same angle. So where it is meet? At C. Position of image at C, same size, real and inverted, same size. Okay, take the position of the object between C and F. You are just observing that I am changing the position. That means the object is near to the concave mirror. Which type of mirror? Concave mirror. We have to do only that object position will be changed at every cases. Okay, so what can we do? First of all, a ray which is parallel to the principal axis will pass from the focus. Second, a ray which is passing from the focus will be parallel to the principal axis, and where they meet beyond C, B dash and A dash. The ray may be from pole, that will also meet here. Position of image, where it is formed? Beyond C. Size of image, smaller than object or larger than object? Small, large. Object is small and large in image. That means larger than object. Nature, real and inverted. In all the cases, real and inverted, except one case, real and inverted. Next case, when the object is at F, that means we have to put the object at focus. Okay, so draw each and every diagram 2 or 3 times. After that, you can get the image formation. C, F. Now the object is at F. So same thing. First, draw a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis will pass from the focus. Okay. Next, a ray of light which is passing from the pole, that will be pass with the same angle. They are meeting? No. There is no meeting point of the rays after reflection. That means they will meet something at L, infinity. they will meet at infinity. I do hope. Position of image at infinity. Size of image larger. I don't know, but larger maybe, because they are just away from each other. Real and inverted. Now, take the position of the object between F and P. There are 6 positions of a ray diagram for a concave mirror, but 3 for convex mirror. Now, it is a concave mirror, pole, focus, center of curvature. Now, take the position of object here, E or B. First pole. Draw a ray of light from pole that will pass with the same angle. Another, draw a ray of light from the center of curvature. They are meeting? No. In this case, when we are standing near to the mirror and just near to the mirror, pole of the mirror, suppose it is a mirror, I am standing here. So draw the line, they will meet A dash, B dash here. When we are near to the mirror, the image is formed beside the mirror. Okay. Now, position of image beside the mirror. Beside the mirror. Next, size of image, smaller or larger? Larger than object. It is real or virtual? It is virtual and innate. What are you observing? I am just observing that when the object is at infinity, the image will form at F. When the object is beyond C, image is formed between C and F. When the object is at C, the image is formed at C. When the object is between C and F, the image is formed at infinity. When the object is between F and P, image is formed behind the mirror, yeah, beside the mirror, behind the mirror. So keep in your mind, there are 2 cases, between C and F, infinity. Between C and F, beyond the center of curvature, beyond the center of curvature, between C and F. At infinity, object when at infinity, image will form at F. When the object is between C and F, so there are different types of image formation of concave mirror. So draw the table. Don't be tensionary about the table, how it is filled. It is filled with the help of diagram. So keep in your mind, you have to learn about the image formation today. Thank you.